Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lagging issues after updating iOS version. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your iOS version but you are feeling that your iPhone has a laggy experience, let's see how can you fix. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection and you have to also check your VPN connection. If your VPN is connected, try to disconnect with that. So go for VPN device management and try to disconnect with your VPN. And after doing that, you have to go to software update and you have to recheck your software update because sometimes it might be that your software update has not been installed perfectly or completely on your iPhone. So you might get any pending software update. So you must have to update your software from here. And once you updated your software, it will almost fix your issue. Or after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to check your iPhone storage. Go for iPhone storage here, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage into your iPhone. It's almost to 10 to 15 GB free to run your iPhone smoothly. So if you don't have enough storage, so you have to try to delete unused apps or the apps which you do not use. So for example, I'm going to delete my TikTok. So you can delete this from here, or you can try to offload your app, or after doing that, you can try to reset all of your settings. So go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all of settings. So it might be that you have enabled or disabled some setting which may having issues in your iPhone, or you can try to make a forced restart in your iPhone to restart all of your system. So now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting, you just have to unlock your iPhone and you have to check if your issue has been solved or not. Or if you are still having the same issue, so there's the only way you have to make a restore or a factory reset of your iPhone, so it will then delete everything on your iPhone. So very first you have to get a backup, and after that you have to open your settings here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and then select continue option from here. So you have to keep in mind that it will delete everything on your iPhone, including your videos, your photos, your accounts, your contacts, and everything you have on your iPhone. So you have to keep in mind that you have a backup of everything, and after that you can try this and it will fix every issue or lagging issue on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.